ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka Jingdawa jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ulat jong ka jilla Satya Pal Malik, Phah ya Kyrwoh ubashai sha ki Seng Bhalang jong ke jilla Meghalaya bakim day ban shu Byrngem Henry ki day ban wan shakami Jingïakren khanang ba andup ban pen Urlong ya ki mat Jingdawa jong ki ha ka Jingïakren bat kilat pathai khubor ha ka sautrik urampang arajar arphuwei ha yeng sa jong haraj bhawan Shillong ulat ke jilla ai nuksaru ya ke Kashmir kabala penlong de ki Jingïakhi kabala khat jubor hadu sanpho hajar ngut ki mensem breu bat ha ka bakhaddu ke Kashmir kala do ya ke Jingitho kum ke jilla bapura kala do ya la ke riti sanshar bat kala do ru ya ke lama ula kentu ru ya ki Seng Bhalang bapher jong ke jilla bala da kitip bat kinang kumno ban pan ya ke Jingdawa na ke sarkar pedeng klempep ki Jingdawa kin Urlong bet hakawai kasngi.
But it is required if ILP is not there, the gates are required. But ILP should be sought out by, actually, if I am Chief Minister, I will take all the ministers, go to the center along with the Advocate General, because I have talked to him also. He explained me very eloquently. If they take him and they argue with the Home Minister, then I'm sure that this MRSS will go through. And if it goes through, then ILP can wait. I have seen there is no risk to the local population. There is no imminent danger to local crowd. But if MRSS is passed, then it can really be sold that, look, this is the defense for you. Be argumentative, correct your perception, and whatever you think, that should go to center in a sensible manner.